got in the way of ruling over their people. Now, Maggie II wants a monopoly over creativity, making it illegal to practice outside the mansion's walls. She sent out a brutal police force to arrest.
This is not a test of the emergency alert system. Demolition of the fictional station building is happening around 7:15 p.m. on January 27th, Sunday. Those are pillager patroller rights terrorists who wants to destruction all the station buildings. Stay tuned for more information.
She had a dream about a different kind of revolution, an industrial one. She wanted to erect a massive steel tower in honor of herself, and to do that, she needed a factory. All right, listen, I promise, I don't have a problem.